What's up, bro?
That's how you dance that.
So we're here at 110 10th Street. What's going on? Where are we at?
It's my brother. It's not my son. What? No, I'm just kidding. It's my son. So check this out. Again, 110 10th Street. You know, we did the outside like in 4 or 5 weeks. That was quick. We already did all the roughing for the plumbing. They're starting the electricity. They should be done next week. The heating and air conditioning guy comes in next week. They're gonna run all their systems. And then after that, what happens is they come in and they inspect the roughing, the electrical, the plumbing, HVAC. And then after that, we get the approvals, the insulation, the sheetrock and everything goes after that. Every time somebody works, we always make sure that everything is clean. And then they also came and took the measurements for the kitchens. We're gonna order them so that whenever we're ready to put them in, we already have them in stock. And then D comes out because he's the one that pays the bills. And we pay, how much are we paying on this one a month?
At least 3,000, about 3,000 a month.
So every month we have to pay $3,000 a month on an empty home until the property gets finished and sold. So obviously it's a concern when you're building your house. The shorter you could shorten that and finish it, the better it is. Not easy paying all these mortgages while the houses are being built. So obviously time is of the essence. So when you start these things, start them, finish them as soon as possible. Either refinance them into a permanent financing,
right,
or sell them and then go on to the next one, or just chill in your house. But if you need anything, call us. Anything on the loan side, anything on the construction side, electrical, plumbing. We're providing all the services. We have a lot of good labor. So if you need anything, please call us, right?
Yes, sir. Or people.
What's
yes,
up?
people.
Come on. Come on. You go right here. You go. Come on.
Holy shit, we got some work over here. So we're moving all this material to another property because we had extra in the garage.
Let's roll. Let's roll. No, not really just a good day of work. That's just about it.
Hello. Holy shit, almost there. Where's your sister? Holy shit. Shell, what are you doing smoking cigarettes, bro?
It helps keep my nerves calm.
Why are you smoking cigarettes? We don't want you to smoke no cigarettes, bro.
Everybody says stop. I just can't.
He used to
stop.
drink too?
Drinking is not good for you.
Yeah, I
Don't smoke cigarettes and don't drink.
I used to drink 7
You
days
too
a
young
week.
for that.
Damn.
Shell, what is that, a blunt?
Nah, it's not no blunt.
Looks like a blunt.
It's a cigar.
Yo. James, tell this guy, it's not good to smoke, bro. You smoke?
Yeah, I smoke cigars.
Baba,
You smoke cigars,
you
but not
can get
cigarettes.
cancer, you're gonna be
That's a
blind.
cigar.
Tell him. Listen to the little girl. Listen to your niece. She telling you not to
Cigar,
smoke.
yeah. Smoke a couple of cigars.
We don't want Shell to smoke. We want him to be strong. Messes up your lungs.
But you don't want them getting drunk either.
All right, smoke a cigarette then. That's fine. And we love him anyway. What's going on with the 2x4s?
They're too long, you gotta cut them.
Well, this is probably like what, 20 feet?
A little longer than
They're like
that.
20 footers. It don't
About
fit in the
25.
truck. Telling James, let's just keep them in the truck, right? And then we'll have Shelly hold them. Shell, you gonna hold them in the back?
I don't know about that. That means I gotta tie him up, but he won't fall off the
You
truck.
think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
We'll tie him
Speak
up.
again.
We'll tie him up in the back with the 2x4, and then
Uh-huh.
we just have to, hold it down, right?
Right.
We can use his partner.
Right.
You-
Both of them.
Both of you. Well, how do you
And
think we
he's
should move it?
fired for
How do you-
smoking.
How do you think we should move the wood? If it doesn't fit in the truck, what do you think we should do?
Cut it.
Cut it. How about this? How about if we get a bigger truck? This is small,
You need
so
a
what we'll
U-Haul,
do is
like a big-
we'll
Yeah,
get a
you
bigger
need a
truck.
U-Haul, yeah.
So what we'll do is whatever we have now that fits, we'll take it.
Right.
Which will be the the plywood, and then those over there,
Right.
and then we'll get a different truck for these guys.
Yeah.
Tell everybody, when you work, what do you do with your money? Go ahead.
Well, what I do with my money is most of my money gets smoked up, but I'm trying to save it to go ahead.
Smoked up, doing what? We talking about?
He buys smokes.
Well, no more cigarettes. Come over here. Come over here. So, what else you do with your money?
My main goal with the money I make is to save it up to go ahead, get to the Dominican Republic, get my dream girl back to the U.S. and go ahead and start a family.
So this is the deal. Shell has this girl that he's been talking to in the Dominican Republic. She's beautiful, right? She's beautiful.
Yes, she is.
So
She's a beautiful young
he
lady.
wants to marry her, bring her to the U.S. and start a family. So that's what he's working on. When's your birthday? I'm gonna get you a passport.
His is July. His is like first of ours.
You gotta get a passport,
July
so
the
we gotta work
15th.
on his
July
passport.
15th.
All right, July 15th. So by July 15th, he has to get a passport. Then he has to go to the DR.
You definitely said 14.
Gotta take me with him.
What? And then James wants to test her out first.
Oh, you leave me alone.
We're just kidding. Again, we're moving all this material from one location to another location, and we're loading the truck, as you can see. Boom.